Okay, I'm going to show you really quickly how to do your graph in Kami. This is a sheet of graph paper. Okay, you can draw, or you can do shapes where you add lines. I'm going to go ahead and insert a line, and I'm going to go down this way, and then hold on a second. And then I'm going to go ahead and add another one going this way. Okay. And just so you know, this is Y going up, and this is X going across. Okay, now you can use your text box and you can make your font really small, and you can use whatever color you want, and go in and make your scale. Like you can do 5, and then we'll go back and make that bigger in just a minute. $10, $15, $20, and so forth, all the way up to whatever your right above your highest temperature. Okay, so if we click back on this and we make it bigger, let's see, we can do a 12, or we can do a 14, and that should be big enough for you to be able to see it. So you'll just have to highlight each one of these and make it the same font. Okay, so we'll make it 14, and there you go. All right, now going down here on this scale, this is where you're going to put your days of the week, or your dates. I think we started with Sunday, which was January 31st. So you can put 1, 31, 21. And then you want to make sure you bring this down. It needs to be kind of vertical. Okay. And let's put this on a line, because we want this line right here to represent your data for January 31st. Okay. And then we're going to do the same thing. Skip a line and then go right here and put 2, 1, 21. And then you want to kind of move it to where it's right on that line. Okay. And I don't think there's a way to make, we can make the text. Let's see if it'll let us rotate the text. Sometimes you can, and sometimes you can't. So let's see. If we rotate it. Okay, it's going to let you do it this way. So rotate it that way. There we go. That works so much better. And that way you can put that right on the line. And do the same thing with this. Rotate it this way. And that way you've got it right on the line right beside it. Okay, so whatever your data is for the 31st, go all the way up to whatever your data is. You can either do in your thing, I said temperature, you can do relative humidity, precipitation, or air pressure. I want you to find your data point. Use your drawing tool. You can go up here and just tap it to leave a dot. And then you're going to do the same thing with the next one. Tap it to leave a dot, and then you're going to use your drawing tool to connect the dots when you're all done. Okay, if you've got any questions, just let me know.